Hello friends, once again welcome to my channel. Today's class we will be discussing about forces in nature. There are four basic fundamental forces in nature. They are gravitational force, electric force, strong force and weak force. These are the types of forces we classified in. Even then there are different types of forces in physics other than these four, like friction and other sort of forces. So the basic forces we'll be considering over here is these four fundamental basic forces. So let us go with first force, that is gravitational force. Gravitational force is an attraction force, we can say it as. Okay, so the force of attraction existing between any two separate bodies due to their masses are called gravitational force. So here we can call it as always an attractive force, and it is a long range force. Even the objects are far away from each other, even then there will be an attractive force existing between them. For example, sun and earth. So the better and best example till now we have is Newton's apple falling experiment. So he started to think of why apple is falling down, not why not it's moving, why not is it falling left, why not it is falling right, or why not it is flying. This is what from where the term gravitational force came. The force of attraction between two bodies will be terming it as gravitational force. The next term is electromagnetic force. So these forces includes electrostatic and magnetic forces. So here as we can see that electro and magnetic force, so electrostatic force and magnetic force. The force between two stationary charges is electrostatic force, while the force between two magnetic poles will be terming it as magnetic force. So here we come up with two new terminologies, that is like forces and unlike forces. Like forces are the particles which are having same charge, either it's of positive or either it's of negative. So in unlike forces we'll be having both positive and negative. So if we take like forces, they will always repel, and attractive forces they always unlike forces they will always attract each other. Similarly in magnetic force also we'll be having south pole and north pole. South pole and south pole will repel each other, and north pole and north pole will repel each other. South and north only will get attracted. So here this is what the examples of electrostatic force. And next moving on to the third and fourth category, that is strong and weak forces. So we'll be discussing about strong forces first. The strong nuclear forces is responsible for holding neutrons and protons together in an atom is called atomic nucleus. Okay, so here we'll be having proton and neutrons in a nucleus. They will be binded with the force. That force we are calling it as a strong force. Even neutron will be having neutral charge, protons will be having positive charge. Even then these things are binded together with the help of these strong forces. So simply we can say it as an attractive force, right? And then we'll be moving with weak force. The weak nuclear force is responsible for radioactive decay by being able to convert a proton into a neutron of a neutron, or vice versa, right? So here whenever an electron comes and hit an element, it will get split into other subparticles. Like uranium, whenever there is an electron coming and hitting over here, it will again eject some sort of electrons, and it will get split into another form of element. Okay, so these are the basic four fundamental forces in nature. Apart from this there are other forces too, which we'll be studying in further classes.